You can actually train your body to crave healthier foods and drop that sluggish feeling by using the gelatin trick. Let me explain. It all starts with the way gelatin interacts with our digestive system, essentially acting as a soothing balm for our gut lining. When we consume gelatin, it helps to heal and seal any gaps in the lining, allowing our bodies to better absorb the nutrients from the food we eat. As researchers delve deeper into the science behind the gelatin trick, it's becoming clear that this simple daily ritual can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. By incorporating the gelatin trick into our daily routine, we can wake up feeling more refreshed and energized, with a sense of clarity that stays with us throughout the day. My friend, who's been using the gelatin trick for a while now, swears by its ability to reduce bloating and improve digestion, and I've seen the difference it's made in her life. To learn more about how you can start using the gelatin trick to transform your health, check out the link in the description below for a detailed walkthrough. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I'll be sharing some additional tips and resources to help you get the most out of the gelatin trick.